Hey you guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, you guys, I'm going to show you all how I install my hair clip-ins. So I got 5 super cute hairstyles that I'm going to share with you guys. They're really quick and super easy to achieve. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Alright you guys, so starting off with my natural hair, I blow dried it and flat ironed it the night before, and this is how it's looking. Now as y'all can see, I do have some length to my natural hair, but sometimes I do want to add a little bit more length and a little bit more volume to my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve it using clip-ins. So I partnered up with Curlsqueen for this video. Shout out to them for working with me, and they sent over their light Yaki clip-in set, and I just want to give you guys a quick close-up of the hair. And you guys, this hair blends in with my natural hair so well. It mimics relaxed / pressed natural hair so well. You're gonna see it later on in the video. So in their set, it comes with 10 pieces. This is what their widest track look like, which have 4 clips all the way down to the side pieces, which have 2 clips. Alright y'all, so starting off in the back, to be honest, I don't really have a special technique of how I install my clip-ins. I just simply part my hair using a comb and I just clip the hair on like that. With other clip-ins that I've used, sometimes I would have a problem blending it with my real hair because the clip-ins would be so thin that you could really see that demarcation between the clip-in hair and my hair. But with these clip-ins, the hair on the track is so thick that it blends so seamlessly with my hair. So this set would be perfect for beginners because it's so simple and you don't have to do the most to blend it. And also if you want that extra volume, the clip-ins in this set is so thick. But alright you guys, I'm not gonna really talk that much in this video. I just really want you guys to closely watch and see how I style the hair. So I'll come back in a bit. Alright you guys, so now that I'm done installing my clip-ins, I'm just going to further blend the hair by running the flat iron through my hair. Now as you can see, the hair is already blended pretty well without me doing anything. But this extra step here really helps to press both the clip-ins and my natural hair in together, and it just makes it look that much more flawless and that much more natural. I'm also going to do these quick little touch-ups to the hair. I'm going to get rid of my flyaways using my Got To Be Glued spray. And just to add a little bit of shine to the hair, I'm going to go in with this Turn Up the Heat spray. I really like that spray, by the way. I'll be sure to leave everything that I use down in the info section down below. And that is pretty much it, you guys. This is the first hairstyle, a simple middle part. This hairstyle was so quick, so effortless, and it's super cute. If you just want to add some length and volume to the hair and you want to get it done in less than 10 minutes, this is the hairstyle for you. It's quick, easy, and it gets the job done, honey. Alright you guys, so moving on to look number 2, I'm going to do a side part hairstyle. So I'm just going to remove one clip-in track on the side that I'm going to part and proceed to create my part. You guys, I love me a good old side part hairstyle. I just feel like this hairstyle complements my face so well. You guys are going to see once I'm completely done with it. And I'm also going to add some curls using my wand curler. Now again, I don't really have a simple technique. The only rule of thumb that I use when curling my hair with the wand curler is I curl away from my face. So as you guys can see, when I'm wrapping the hair around the wand, I'm wrapping it away from my face. So that's really the only rule of thumb that I would recommend while curling your hair. When you do it away from your face, it just helps for the curls to drop better and it gives you that Farrah Fawcett curly look. It just looks so bomb. So I'm just gonna finish up the hairstyle and let you guys watch. Alright you guys, so this is how look number 2 came out. A cute side part with some curls. This hairstyle is definitely my signature look. I just feel like this hairstyle is super sexy and it complements my face shape so well. And for the record, I'm also gonna say this, you guys. These clip-ins are by far the best clip-ins that I have used, hands down. From the texture to the color of the hair, they blend in with my natural hair so seamlessly. Like, they look identical to my hair, and I was actually really impressed. Alright, so moving on to look number 3, I wanted to do a half up, half down hairstyle. So I'm just removing a couple of clip-in tracks in the front so I could split the hair in the middle. Now, I don't really do half up, half down hairstyles, period, but I wanted to do something a little bit different and try out this hairstyle using the clip-ins. So I'm gonna let you guys watch and see how I style the hair. Alright you guys, so this is how look number 3 came out, and y'all, I am obsessed with this hairstyle. I just think it looks so cute, it looks so effortless, and it looks the most natural out of all of the hairstyles. And I also love how the curls kind of dropped, but if you want to add a little bit more curls, you could go back in with the wand curler. As y'all can see, I just curled the top ponytail hair just to add a little bit of a curl to it. But I just love this hairstyle so much. So last but not least, moving on to look number 4, I'm starting off with my natural hair again. I took all the clips out and I want you guys to really watch closely. I'm going for a ponytail in this look. So I'm going to show you guys how I install the clip-ins. So as y'all can see, I'm just parting my hair. And I'm actually gonna flip the clip-in track upside down and install it facing up. Whenever you're doing a ponytail hairstyle with clip-ins, you wanna install the clip-ins in the direction that you want it to go in. So I want the hair to be facing up, so that's why I flipped it upside down and positioned it in that angle. And that's pretty much all I'm going to continue to do throughout the rest of the hair. I'm just going to continue to install the clip-ins in the direction that I want it to go in, which is facing upwards. So in the front, I added about 3 clip-in tracks, and in the back, I added about 2. But if you want your ponytail to appear more fuller, you could definitely go back in and add more tracks. So now that I have my ponytail secured, I'm just gonna fix it up a little bit and make it look more neat using my Got2b glued spray. I actually just recently learned this technique and it makes my life so much easier. You just spray a little bit on the area that you wanna fix up, follow up with my rat tail comb to comb it in place. This makes it so much easier, you guys. Before, ponytails used to be a hassle for me, and this is by far the easiest way to get your ponytail to look slicked down without too much of a hassle. Alright you guys, so this is how look number 4 came out. It's a simple and cute cheerleader high ponytail, and in the back I just added a little bit more curls using my wand curler, of course. And I just want to show you guys one final look. If you want to put your hair in a bun, you just simply take the ponytail hair, wrap it around and pin it in place. If you're just having a lazy hair day and you want to put your hair in a bun, this is one option hairstyle that you could do. Alright you guys, so that was all for this video. Let me know in the comment section down below which hairstyle was your favorite. Like I said, my favorite one was the half up, half down hairstyle. I thought that hairstyle was so freaking cute. So let me know all your comments and feedback down below on which hairstyle was your favorite. So that was all for this video, you guys. I really hope that you all enjoyed this hair tutorial. And if you did, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. Thumbs up this video, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.